హాయ్ హలో థింకర్స్ థాట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కి స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు పర్స్పెక్టివ్స్ ఇన్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేటువంటి టాపిక్లో నుంచి కొన్ని అబ్రివేషన్స్ మనం చూద్దాం. ఎన్సిఈఆర్టీ అంటే నేషనల్ కౌన్సిల్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ రీసెర్చ్ అండ్ ట్రైనింగ్. ఎస్ఆర్సి స్టేట్ రిసోర్స్ సెంటర్. పిఓఏ Program of Action. UEE Universalization of Elementary Education. NLM National Literacy Mission. CIET Central Institute of Educational Technology. MLL Minimum Levels of Learning. OBB Operation Blackboard. TLC Total Literacy Campaign. NFC Non-Formal Education. SIET State Institute of Educational Technology. MEO Mandal Educational Officer. PMOST Program of Mass Orientation for School Teachers. HRD Human Resource Development. ECCE Early Child Care and Education. UNESCO United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNICEF United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. SCERT State Council of Educational Research and Training. AE Adult Education. AICTE All Indian Council for Teachers Education. ICDS Integrated Child Development Services. NEP National Policy on Education. SITE Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. SWAP Statewide Academic Program. UEE Universalization of Elementary Education. VEC Village Education Committee.